Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need admin or root now, so open an elevated shell and act quickly. First, identify how the shutdown was scheduled, a direct shutdown command, and at /cron job or a task scheduler entry. Once you know the method, you can pick the right cancel command. For Windows, prepare to run shutdown / in an elevated prompt. For Unix-like systems, prepare sudo and plan to cancel with the shutdown utility or remove the scheduling job. Move to the cancellation step immediately. You will cancel the active countdown now. On Windows, type shutdown / in the elevated shell. That aborts pending shutdowns immediately. On Unix-like systems, run sudo shutdown see if available, or find the shutdown PID with PS and kill it with sudo kill PID. Once done, remove any or cron job triggering it. If task scheduler or shtasks created the task, delete the scheduled task with shtasks/delete. Make sure to confirm replacements so it cannot rerun. After canceling, verify the system no longer plans a shutdown. Check uptime, task scheduler or system logs for shutdown entries. Once done, make sure recurring cron or scheduled tasks are removed so the shutdown won't return. If the shutdown still appears, look for remote management tools, domain policies, or services that reissue the command and disable them. You may need to kill a supervising process. If problems continue, reboot only when safe, and then remove the root cause before rescheduling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.